A Toronto man is speaking out tonight about his battle over service fees. He took Bell Canada to court after it reneged on a promised monthly deal. As Erica Johnson reports, his legal victory could now help other customers.
No, I was as stunned and sort of appalled as anyone would have been.
In 2016, David Ramsey called a Bell sales agent to sign up for TV and internet services. He was promised a monthly fee for 24 months. But when the email confirmation arrived, it said prices subject to change, and they were going up in 2 months.
You know, you can't do a deal with someone and then send an email even a minute later, let alone an hour later, saying with different terms.
Ramsey requested a transcript of that phone call, then filed a complaint at the CCTS, the Commission for Complaints for Telecom Television Services, a mediator between customers and telecoms. It said, too bad, Bell had sent him a contract mentioning price changes.
They had either no understanding of basic contract law, which would surprise me because they've got a lot of lawyers working there, or had no interest in looking more broadly at the issues.
So Ramsey took Bell to small claims court, armed with what he called his smoking gun, the transcript of his phone call with Bell, where an agent promises his total cost for the 24 months will be $112.90 per month, and that he was going to get an email confirmation of everything that was just discussed. Bell argued it had promptly emailed contract details, and because Ramsey had continued with his service, he was essentially agreeing to the terms. The deputy judge didn't buy that, saying that kind of contractual behavior is high-handed, arbitrary, and unacceptable. He ruled in Ramsey's favor. Back at the CCTS, the commissioner says it will take a second look at Ramsey's case.
We are going to look at the file, and we are going to see what there is to be learned from it.
It's incumbent on the CCTS to take notice of this and review a bunch of cases.
This contract law professor thinks the ruling could be fodder for a class action lawsuit.
Let's get it all done and over with. And maybe that will make Bell change its position and not see any incentive in acting this way.
It's hard to say how many telecom customers have been misled by sales reps. A recent Go Public marketplace investigation caught door-to-door sales reps for Bell promising fixed prices that could actually increase later.
This is price guaranteed for you for the full year.
It seems this issue, customers promised a price only to see that price go up, is not specific to Bell. At Go Public, we've heard similar complaints from customers at Rogers and TELUS. Erica Johnson, CBC News, Vancouver.
All of our Go Public stories come from people like you. So if you've got a story you want our team to look into, just send an email, why don't you? gopublic@cbc.ca.